Okay, it's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 5 in Tustin. And oh my goodness, are we ever making progress? Oh God.
Got her!
Oh my God. If I get through this without killing myself, it'll be a miracle. I couldn't help but pull a little bit of bling in. So I did top dress these pots with fire glass. Hey, Randy. Randy's dirt from head to toe. And David Hodgson's tapestry, I did splash in a little bit of polished jade. This is a really, really gorgeous pebble that I picked up at Planter Paradise. So if you're in the California, San Diego area, it was very affordable. I think $39 for a 20-pound bag of that. It was, or 25-pound bag. Okay, so you can see how the ribbons continue to move through the design, and I'm going to continue that. We'll be here for another day. We have a lot of finished work to do. We did get the lights installed, so I'm eager to see how those are going to look tonight. And that's my story, and I'm sticking with it. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with Team DFS on day 5 in Tustin with your succulent tip of the day. Video already? Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! This is Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity. Yeah, it looks like we may have overestimated a little bit on the lighting plan. This looks like a landing strip. This can probably be seen from space. John Wayne Airport is nearby, and I wouldn't be a bit surprised if some of the pilots get confused and land in our new landscape tonight. So tomorrow we will make some adjustments. And tonight we're going to watch Will and Grace. No? What am I supposed to talk about?
This has been Laura Eubanks.
Oh, this has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity. And this was mostly Greg's idea. With your succulent lighting tip of the day.
I tried to tell you.
Oh my God.